just here, walking to Lynn City Hall. Welcome everyone. Today I'm starting off with running some errands here in Lynn, and then hopefully hit the beach later. So tag along with this little adventure here, huh? Thank you. And subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Here at the front, there is some shows that are here. Perhaps I will go to at some point. And birth certificate acquired. Ernie's Harvest Time. I used to really like that place, but it wasn't that good the last time I went. And next stop is gonna be Brothers Deli. I did want to eat inside, but since I'm on the run, I decided to take it with me. Excellent too, excellent bagel sandwiches here. And I really became a fan of Brothers Deli. Whoa, St. Mary's over there too. Back when I went to this high school, St. Mary's, many years ago. I just want to get a little car wash here. Boston Street, and let the wash begin. Actually want to make a video on Boston Street at some point. A little how it used to be and how it is now. The Taco Bell used to not be there. Also, my first video was mostly filmed walking to Pine Grove Cemetery over here. I want to do a more detailed video of that as well. Alright, a little transition to some beach action up here at Salisbury State Reservation Beach, or Salisbury Beach State Reservation, something like that. Gotta go pay and then hit the beach. Just making my way down the boardwalk here. Reach the end of the boardwalk. No swimming. Kind of a beach is this? Not sure I will be doing a lot of swimming today because it is June. The water's probably a bit cold. I actually don't see anyone in the water. Oh, now I do. So, finally enjoying some rays of the sun. I got my buddy Dave here. Not the Dave from last night, but a different Dave.
Better Dave.
And we're just enjoying this nice weather. Hopefully it doesn't rain. The sand is so hot right now. It is burning my feet. But the ocean looks magnificent. And it feels much better on the feet.
Oh yeah, bro.
Now that I'm inside. The waves come in. Well, will I actually go under? I'm not sure. That is a warm. It's warm and it's cold at the same time. Yes, very. It's not as cold as I initially thought. Yeah, That's it's a little chilly when that wave comes up over yourself. Am I gonna go in? Am I gonna do it? I don't know. I think I may try. I think I may try to dunk my head underneath this water. I can't even see in this phone either because the sun's glaring. Maybe I should go put my phone back. I think you should go all the way in, Dave.
I'm going all the way in.
Gonna go all the way in? Whoa, how is it?
Chilly.
All right, here we go.
There he is.
Whoa. Oh yeah.
Wilson Wanderer wandered into the water.
You'd be an expert at this, Dave. You need to start your own channel. Many a boat on this beautiful day. I still can't see if this is recording well, so we'll see if this gets in the video or not. It's up there, seagulls. We don't got no food for you. We only get some lean music.
Like a Japanese cowboy.
Let's see if we can find some of these lightning bolts. Yeah, we're gonna have to cut this beach day a little short because you can see it's getting awfully cloudy. There's a lot of lightning to the north, but I had a feeling if I filmed it, I wouldn't get any. If I shut off the filming.
Although I can't hear it.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna have to get going. I want it. Oh, I can hear the thunder. Come on, I want one lightning bolt for my vid. It was just a sweet one right before. So it's still blue skies over here. And then as you pan over here, very dark. The sun is kind of hiding behind all these clouds. I was hoping for a nice big lightning bolt. There's been a couple of really good ones, but no such luck. It has been fun, but we're leaving the beach. So the rain is coming in, if you can tell on my windshield. We're gonna go to the deck real quick and grab one. But yeah, I never seem to, oh, I should get this out of here. We never seem to get a good lightning strike on my vid. Hoping for just a big blast while I'm on this little road. Oh, over there. I mean, I don't know if it's picking it up. Oh well, I'm getting out of... whoa! I almost hit a rabbit. And we are sitting here at the deck, which is a really cool place. It's right on the harbor in Salisbury, overlooking Newburyport and the bridge, which you may recognize from a past video that I had. So we're here at the deck after a successful day of beaching it. We'll say beaching it. And this place is pretty awesome. We're right outside. If it does rain, we're under the deck.
Under the hang.
The deck, right?
The deck.
It's the deck.
Let's toast to the viewers out there.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thanks for watching.
And that's where I'm going to end it for this edition. I will thank you for subscribing, and I'll thank you for viewing, and I'll leave you with peace.